This problem says, consider the sound created by resonating the tube shown below. The air temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. What are the wavelength, wave speed, and frequency of the sound produced? Okay. So let's do the wave speed first, which is 331 meters per second plus 0.6 meters per second per degree Celsius times 30 degrees Celsius. So that's equal to 31 plus 0.6 into 30. So the speed is 349 meters per second. Okay, so this is part B. Okay, part A is the wavelength here is so you can see that this is one wavelength and this is another wavelength. So there are two wavelengths here. So in this diagram, 2 lambda equal to L. And so lambda equal to L by 2 equal to 60 by 2 to 30 centimeters. Okay, so that's the wavelength and the frequency of the sound produced. So C, the frequency is speed divided by wavelength, which is 349 meters per second divided by 0.3 meters, and that's equal to 1160 hertz.